Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and do you ever feel like there's just not enough plugs in your house to plug in everything you want to? Well, then you definitely should invest in one of these surge protectors from Belkin. Not only is it a surge protector, it's going to protect your equipment, but it's going to add 2 additional plugs into your single plug, and as well as 2 USB connections for your USB cables as well. I absolutely love how sturdy it feels when you plug it in. It doesn't feel flimsy or like if it's going to fall out. It's also really easy to rotate, which is so convenient. You can make it fit your space. So if you're looking for a way to add some additional connections for your chargers or your devices, but you don't want to take up too much space on your wall, definitely check out the surge protector from Belkin. Not only is it going to protect your equipment, but it's going to give you some additional charging space. And that's my point of view.